I know that it's only August, but I am so sick of the summer heat. So today we're going to be doing a Summerween craft. This is one of the things I got out of my big Michael's mystery box. So if you want to see what else I made with that box, check out this video. So let's open our box. Okay. We have the lid. It's got a front and a back. Instructions. The box itself, some stickies, and I'll be using these alcohol markers to color all this in. I'm gonna start by coloring in the lid. I chose this color palette of bright yellows, oranges, pinks, and a hint of blue to kind of match the retro vibe. 2 down, only about 100 more left to go. I'm also using some pretty obnoxious colors here. I don't normally like fluorescent orange, but it really works with this color scheme. I also tried to alternate. I didn't want too much of the same color to be all bunched up together. I decided to outline with this deep teal because, honestly, it's just one of my favorite colors that I chose. Now we're gonna do the other side. And for this side, we're gonna use a little glitter. On the inside, I decided to do a gradient pattern for the webs. So I started with the darkest color to outline the black lines of the web, and then I added in a medium tone, and I finished it up with this really light pink. This was super satisfying. And then I did the same with the other web, with a dark turquoise, a slightly lighter turquoise, and finally a light blue. Next, I wanted to add glitter, and I was originally going to put down black glitter for the web, but then I thought it would look much cuter with pink and blue glitter. So I traced the spider webs with my tacky glue here, and then I poured out an entire bottle of sparkles onto each web. But don't worry, I was able to get almost all of it back. It's crazy how much ground glitter can cover. Then it was time to do the spiders. I started again by outlining them with my tacky glue, and then I decided to pour on this super fine black glitter. I shook off all the excess, and here's how they turned out. Look how cute this came out. The sparkle is just magical. So now we're gonna let this dry while we work on the lid of the coffin. Look how cute that is! I decided to make the skeleton a darker pink, not because I accidentally got my other colors on him, but because I wanted them to pop more. Now that we finished coloring this one, we're going to put them both together. And this is where the sticky dots come in handy. Here they are, and I think we just put these stickies on. rattling so much. Okay. And then we just do one of those and repeat. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put all of the stickers on at once, peel those off, and then fold her up. Gosh. Aha. My forceps. Voila! Alright, now we're gonna fold these all together. And there you go! You have your cute little coffin lid. I'm just now realizing how morbid this is. Now we're gonna do the rest of the coffin. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. Some of them are really stubborn. Okay, 2 more left. Thank goodness. I think I've spent like 6 hours making this thing. I thought it was gonna take 2-3 hours. No regrets, but that's a long time. Time for the bottom. And there you have it. Here's my Summerween coffin. And there she is all closed up. Thanks for joining me today and making this craft with me. I'll see you in the next one. Happy Summerween!